Zorg pa boyunan queda entretenido y no vira laf ta un trabajo duro.
A lot of people have really started to fear boredom and think it's something to avoid at all costs.
Dr. Jody Poundstein, de Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, ha comentado que en vez de purba evitar de Sinti Laaf, mestre aceptar el sentimento aquí.
Our job is not to fix it and protect kids from ever feeling bored, because that is something they're going to experience not just now, but well into adulthood.
El primer beneficio de Sinti Laaf da, muchanan por sinha como para resolver un problema.
At first, they might be feeling bored and even frustrated, but as they work through that, they're tolerating discomfort and they're learning what to do with their feelings and what they can do to make themselves feel better.
Sinha como para manejar emocionan ta un otro ventaja de Sinti Laaf. También por ayuda para emocionar nunca pa fo, ta activo físicamente. Of hasta hace algo que te ayuda con la creatividad.
They might make up an obstacle course or go for a bike ride or play basketball.
Y finalmente, Sinti Laaf te ayuda mucho a sinha ta independiente y mayornan por ayuda con saki.
I'm curious if you just let your mind wander what you'll come up with. I'm really excited to see. And you're showing them that they can figure this out. It's not something to be scared of.
Y de Fabiola Angela Hernandez, para Noticia.